All right, so we had a couple comments of people that wanted to see this sled actually cut and make a little picture frame or shadow box frame. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's get the saw turned on. First thing we're gonna do actually is cut the end of this board so that we have a 45 on the end of that. And then after that, we will be able to use the sled to make all of the other cuts at the right length. So here we go. All right, so now that we have that angle cut, we can take our little stop block here, line it up with the line that we're going to use to cut everything, lock that down, and now we can take our board, line it up with that, and that's going to give us a perfect measurement from the inside of the angle to the other inside of the angle every time. So here we go. Broke my saw. Dang it. Hold, please. Take two. All right, so there's the 4 pieces. We'll do a quick tape up instead of glue and see how close we came. When I say quick, I don't mean quick. You might see others start using Japanese music. I don't know. So, no glue. Not too bad. All right, tell me what you guys think. Let me have it.